Well, I drove all the way up to here to Norfolk, Nebraska, not knowing that they installed an elevator here. This is the Menards store in Norfolk, Nebraska. And they have a Schumacher here. It's good too. Oh, that took a while. Oh, jeez. Wow. Are we literally going leveling speed? Oh gosh. We're literally going leveling speed. We're not at a 1. Still leveling. Still leveling. Yay, Schumacher. Finally, we're here at 1. Plop. It's a nice elevator. They got the old ads up too. We're not at 2. We're probably 3/4 of the way up on 2. That means I could get a cab view longer. This thing is probably the worst Schumacher I've been on. And we're here. What time? I think watch this. Drop. I think we went down 10 feet. And now we're going leveling speed. Oh my gosh, this thing is gonna... Oh boy. We're still leveling. Leveling. Still leveling. We're here. It just beeped. Did you real 1? Jeez. That took forever to get down there. Yeah. Not the greatest elevator here. There was the elevator. Probably one of the worst Schumachers I've been on. But yeah, anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.